Do-do-do-do. Come and join me in my travels through the pathways of the mind. When you use imagination, there's no telling what you'll find. I'm Figment, I'm a dragon. I read and learn and play. Sounding sounds, feeling feelings. What a way to fill a day. I'm a master of illusion, doing things that you can't see. When I smell a pink petunia, it turns into a bee. I open books and jump into them. There's a world of magic there. When you add your own five senses, there is nothing you can't dare. I'm Figment, I'm a dragon. I read and learn and play. Sounding sounds, feeling feelings. What a way to fill a day. I'm Figment, I'm a dragon. Oh golly double G, just use the magic in your mind. I'm Figment, that's me. Gee, golly, double gosh! Did you hear that thunder? It's enough to bounce a dragon right out of bed. But even when sounds are loud, like thunder, I like the way they sound. Without sound, the world would be such a quiet place. There'd be no music, no laughter. Imagine! Listen to the sounds all around you. What do you hear?
The next word down, what is that? Jace?
Chalk on the board. The pages of a book.
Now look at the next column, boys and girls, and look at the very top. Today we're going to do something
Your
different with
teacher's
those words.
voice.
We're going to write them down, and if you look at a 97, there's a box.
And how about
with
the
all
sounds
kinds of letters
outside?
in it. And that box is very special because it's kind of like a puzzle.
Cinderella, dressed in yellow, went upstairs to kiss the bell. Made a mistake and kissed the snake. How many doctors did it take? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Once upon a time, Jenny walked to a forest filled with magic.
Oh, here's one of my
In that
favorite
very
sounds.
special
Reading
forest,
stories out
she
loud.
was a person.
That reminds me. I need volunteers to take a sound-sational journey. Who likes to listen and play with words? And who is simply C-R-A-Z-Y, crazy about sounds?
Wow, look at this place. It sure is amazing. But Peter, where are we?
Why, this is Fagonia, home of Figment of the Imagination. That's me. It's a special place that I dreamed up, full of magic. Magic of the mind. Magic that lets you go anywhere, anytime. Hear that? Frogs croaking. Birds chirping. Screeching brakes. Lion roaring. Church bells ringing. Wow! Hear those sounds? Quick, close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear broom sweeping.
And you, Jessica?
And I hear birds singing.
Boy, you two are sound-sational.
Figgy, this is fun. Let's keep going.
Hold on tight. We're going to the place deep inside our minds where anything is possible and every sound means adventure. Just listen to the magic words. Watch carefully, listen closely, see what you can see. Through the power of words and the magic of your mind, you can be wherever you want to be. Listen to the sounds all around you.
We're at my house. And I hear someone coming. Someone's ringing the doorbell. It's Josh, my next door neighbor. He found my kitten Lulabelle. She's purring because she's happy to be home.
Oh, hi, Josh.
Hi, I found Lulabelle.
Oh, thank you for bringing her home.
Uh-oh. Now I hear my baby brother crying.
Oh, that's my baby. I gotta go.
Okay, bye.
Bye, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, listen to that baby. I've got an idea. Let's pretend we're babies and listen to the sounds around us.
How's that? Is that better? Yeah. You want to play? You want to play?
Oh, the sounds are so soft. They're making me sleepy.
Babies feel how different sounds sound. When sounds are loud, I bet they feel scared.
Mama loves you. 99.
When sounds are soft,
Night, Andrew.
I think babies feel safe and loved.
You know, sounds make me have feelings too. Like when I hear the telephone ring. You know, it makes me happy because it might be my friend calling me to play. Hey, how you doing? I'm sorry, I can't play with you right now. I'm in Fagonia. Okay, bye.
It makes me sad. It's probably my mom telling me to come home for dinner. Hi, Mom. Can I stay just a little longer? Gee, thanks.
You know, it's neat because we both heard the same sounds but each had different feelings.
Now you're talking. That's what makes sound such an adventure. Now that you know how sound makes you feel, let's feel sound. Bum! Bum! Oh, I love that beat, and I love sound journeys. What do you feel when you bang it?
It tickles.
Ooh, what you are feeling are sound vibrations. Want to see how it looks?
You can't see sound.
Oh, but Peter, sound journeys are more than soundsational. They're also vibrational. Watch these sound waves move. That's why I want to go even farther into the garden of imagination to a place where words bloom.
Words bloom? How?
It starts with a balloon. That's it. Blow that balloon up as big as it can go. Then... You get the idea. Now, what sound did you hear?
Pop.
You've made a real word just by saying a sound. Pop, pop.
Hey, Figgy, I like this. Let's do some more.
Okay, ready, steady, go.
Chirp. Toot. Tick. Splash.
Chirp, toot, tick, splash. Now you've got the beat. It starts in your hands, then it moves to your feet.
Tick, splash, now you've got the beat. It starts in your hands and moves to your feet.
Save your clapping, and we'll use it to make rhythm. Take one hand, then meet it with the other. Whee! It's so simple, you can do it with your brother. Come on now, let's go faster. The rhythm that you beat makes me want to leave my seat and dance and move and play around. You started with the clap, now you made a happy sound. That's rhythm. That's rhythm.
She kissed a snake. How many doctors did it take? The nurse called the lady with the alligator purse.
Now to travel even further, just use your mind. In the garden of imagination, there's no telling what you'll find. We've made words bloom and rhythms grow. And the seeds of adventure we've begun to sow. Just add your 5 senses. Hurry now, make haste. Get ready to see, feel, smell, hear, and taste. Then repeat the magic words after me.
Watch carefully, listen closely, see what you can see. Through the power of words and the magic in your mind, I can be whatever I want to be.
Whoa, I'm moving so fast, I can hardly catch my breath. I feel cold. Everything is so open. I see buildings rushing by, faster and faster. Peter, I smell gasoline. And wait, in the distance I smell smoke. And there is the loudest noise. It's so loud I can barely think. Wait a minute, it's coming from me. I'm a siren on a fire truck, and I'm going to a fire.
And I'm the horn. I'm warning everyone to get out of the way.
Boy, I was scared when I heard how loud I sounded. But now I know I'm helping save people.
Hold on, we need to drive on the wrong side of the street again. Moving in and out of the traffic, I better scream a warning first.
Ooh, the firefighter finally turned you off. All that work made me hungry. Let's all have a BLT. That's an old family specialty of mine. Buttercups and lilacs on toast.
Figment, being a sound was incredible. I wish I could do it all the time.
Just use your imagination.
I wish I could roar like a lion.
Now me, I want to sound like a foghorn on a dark, windy night. Figgy, that was great. We can use our imaginations to travel anywhere in our minds.
And the whole world will bloom for you. Figment, I'm a dragon. I read and learn and play. Sounding sounds, feeling feelings. What a way to fill a day. I'm Figment, I'm a dragon. Oh golly, double G. Just use the magic in your mind. I'm Figment, that's me.